Okay, so I'm going to be starting playthrough of Granny. So, let's get this started. So first of all, there's a new update out, which is sure to be really fun. Let's hope she ain't up here. Drop that, grab her attention. Oh. And for this playthrough, we are going to be doing easy difficulty, and I'm going to try and not lose. Basically, the objective of any person's playthrough of a game. So you can see the melon just rolling over there. Like, good job. Use the barrel roll, or use the melon roll. Feel like that created more noise than the melon. Should override whatever she was doing. Yeah, remember me? But I know a trick so that you don't need the hammer for planks on this doorway up in the attic. I know a trick. That trick would have to be probably just toss anything that makes a loud noise. Just toss it right down in front of the planks, and then out of confusion, she'll probably walk into them, and when she does, she'll break them. So that's really gonna help. Easy is really... No, please. Goodbye. Oh. Stay back. I can see your ugly teeth. Really, you know what I think? I think this game is a red room, and if you don't know what that is, good for you. You don't want to know what a red room is. Basically, if you're still watching, basically a red room is where you can watch a live murder. So I think she's probably recording us with like cameras, and then she's just trying to kill us. Probably why she's doing that. So let's try and get her to break that board so I can get across. This is like Hello Neighbor in a sense. So there we go. So we did that. She should come running. Essentially. So yeah. Just gonna grab my drink. So yeah, she's gonna come up here any second now. Or not. come, or are you just gonna chill down? Okay, that's gonna be hard to get back. Very hard. No. You don't have to go and do that. You see what I mean? That actually worked. So apparently they added a shotgun, and Granny has a car. So if I can get my hands on that shotgun, I think I know what we're doing. Well, she saw me. Maybe I can use one of the... Hell, you are correct. You can use one of the freaking many planks that have fallen over there. So, yeah. You gone? Or you... So kiss this one more time. Meme review. This just reminds me of Skyrim NPCs. Like, shoot them with an arrow and then walk away like nothing happened. And they're like, well, must have been my imagination. Definitely don't have an arrow in the side of my head. Meme review. Oh, can't see me. Oh, no. No, you're not. No, don't see me, please. Thank. How does she not see me? I'm just not gonna question this. It's instant game over once you get trapped in here. Yeah, instant game to be over. It's hammer time! Oh my god. Yep. I'm so dead. No! Why does she not walk over the plank? Does she not know that's even there? Quiet. What? 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 Okay, let's... Red Rover, Red Rover. Okay. I'm not going to legitimately beat this. I'm just going to try and put the shotgun together. It may take longer, so if you want to skip ahead, you can do so. So we got the melon machine, the cogwheel. So I'm going to take it back here and store it. I'm just going to keep everything in this room. Just to be safe. I don't even know what the cogwheels are for. Anything that hits the ground in there, no sound. Muffled. Perfect. Especially in a game where noise is freaking everything. It's really the quiet place. That movie. Oh shoot, part of a shotgun. Boy, am I excited for this one. Already got part 1 of this shotgun. So I think I'll pause, end the video here. Part 1 of the shotgun found. I will leave this save file here, so yeah, we can keep going on the next video.